In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan using templates in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First things first, to kick off the process, you're going to want to log into your Asana account. Once you're in, look over to the top left corner of your dashboard and you'll see a Create button. Go ahead and click on that. This is the starting point for setting up your new project. Now that you've clicked the Create button, you'll see a menu pop up. Here, you want to select the Project option. This selection will help initiate the setup of your new workspace where all your project details will live. Once you've chosen the project option, it's time to utilize Asana's templates to make your planning a lot easier. Look for an option that says Use a Template. By selecting this, you'll gain access to a variety of preloaded organizational structures and tasks that can help streamline your project planning process. Now let's pinpoint the right category. Navigate to the Operations and PMO section, where you will find templates specifically designed for cross-departmental planning. This is a great way to ensure that all teams are aligned and working towards the same goals. Take a moment to explore the different templates available in this category. You might notice options like the Cross-Functional Project Plan and the Operations Project Plan templates. Review details of each template to figure out which one aligns best with your project needs. Once you've identified the template that fits best, the next step is simple. Click on the button that says Use Template. This action will set the framework for your new project plan. Now that you've selected your template, it's time to personalize it to fit your project. Start by entering a clear and concise project name. This name will help distinguish your new plan within your workspace and make it easily identifiable for you and your team. After that, you'll need to set the timelines and relevant dates for your project. This is critical. It's what will guide your workflow and help you stay organized as you move forward. Think about key milestones and deadlines and enter them accordingly to keep everyone on track. When you've added all the necessary details, you're almost there. Look for a button that says Create and click it. This will officially generate your new project plan based on the template you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully created a project plan using templates in Asana. Take a moment to check your result now and see how everything looks. If you followed along, you should have a robust framework in place to kick off your next big project, allowing for collaboration and clarity for everyone involved. Remember, templates are a fantastic way to save time and ensure you don't miss any important steps in your planning process. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about effective project management, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.